It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 25th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Rain chances trending down. Temperatures headed up as we go into the weekend thanks to a little break in the monsoon. But that won't last for too long. We'll start to see thunderstorm chances return by the early and middle portions of next week. Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday. 102 degrees was the high in the valley, 80 degrees the morning low. It was sticky out there. And yes, we also picked up 407 inch officially at Sky Harbor Airport. And outside right now, here at 7:05 a.m., we've got partly cloudy skies, 90 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point way up there at 70. It is miserable out. Relative humidity 52%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across the area right now, 80 degrees, the cool spot at this moment at Thompson Peak. Otherwise, we're in the 80s to low 90s across most of the metro. The upper air looks still have a very anomalous trough over the eastern parts of the country. The cool, dry air spilling all the way south into the Gulf Coast. And I saw it was down in the 50s in parts of Mississippi and Alabama earlier this morning. Feels a little like fall there. Meanwhile, here in the west, we've got a ridge, but it's being knocked down just a bit by a trough passing through the northern tier states. And that's going to help to shut off our monsoon, at least for a few days, as we'll detail in a moment. The watch warning map, flash flood watches, parts of Nevada, excessive heat watches in the valleys of California. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet. Severe weather outlook for today. We've got the standard slight risk of severe storms in my old stomping grounds up there around Grand Forks and Crookston, Minnesota, and a marginal risk for some of the adjacent areas. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley around 1/10 of an inch or so. Elsewhere across the state could see upwards of an inch in a few spots, as we are expecting some more rain to come in by the early and middle portions of next week. And we'll outline the details of that now as we take a look at the models and have a look at it. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at about 18,000 feet. There's our ridge, which is being pushed to the south and west just a little bit, and that'll set up right over Arizona over the next couple of days. So as a result, down at the surface, partly sunny skies this morning, mostly sunny this afternoon. High temperatures will be a bit warmer than yesterday, between about 103 and 106. Tonight, a few clouds, otherwise mostly clear, lows in the 80s, and then tomorrow, mostly sunny, will warm it up a bit further, highs 106 to 109. Over the weekend, isolated showers and storms will continue over the high country, but here in the valley, we should stay dry, mostly sunny each day. Highs close to 110. Now, as we go to Monday, the ridge begins to slowly slide back to the north and east. It'll start to elongate in response to a trough off the west coast. More of a southeasterly flow again develops, so thunderstorm chances will return. Although I'm going to keep the chance of rain out of the forecast for us here in Phoenix for Monday. I do think widely scattered showers and storms will be present for the eastern rim, the eastern mountains, southeast Arizona. Tuesday, better chances of rain come back in. Scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms for central and eastern Arizona, including the valley. And Wednesday, too. In fact, the model's really ramping up the moisture as we go to Wednesday. Check it out. Precipitable water coming off the GFS approaching 2 inches here in southern Arizona. So the chances of some locally heavy rain might be present as well. Let's go to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 1st of August. Got a trough in the east. We've got a ridge building out in the plains and in the southwest. The monsoon continues with southeasterly flow. And going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, Saturday, the 3rd of August. The ridge slides back to the west once again, more of an easterly flow in place. So still scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms will be present. Checking out the temperatures off the European ensemble through the period. Highs 110 plus this weekend. And then we'll cool it off as we get into especially the middle and latter portion of next week and heading into August as we see a more significant increase in moisture, clouds, and thunderstorm chances back into the valley. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe, stay cool, drink plenty of water out there today. And you guys have yourselves a fantastic Thursday.